As a business owner, you have 4 accounting options. You can do it yourself, work with a once-a-year tax accountant, hire a monthly accounting firm, or eventually build an internal accounting department or CFO setup. The problem is most business owners don't really know which one fits their business best. So they either stay DIY too long, pay for help that still feels reactive, or wait until accounting becomes a problem before making a change. So in this video, I want to walk through each option, who it's actually good for, what to expect for cost, and how to know when it's time to move to the next level. DIY is where most businesses start. And for a lot of businesses, that's completely fine in the beginning. You're handling the bookkeeping yourself, running payroll, using QuickBooks or Xero, and keeping things relatively simple. The biggest advantage at this stage is cost. You're not paying for ongoing accounting support. And when the business is still small and straightforward, that can make perfect sense. The issue is that most businesses eventually outgrow this setup. As revenue grows, things get more complicated. There are more transactions, more employees, more decisions to make, and less time for the owner to stay on top of the financial side of the business. This is usually when bookkeeping starts falling behind, tax season becomes stressful, and business owners realize they don't fully trust their numbers anymore. A lot of owners at this stage know their bank balance, but they don't really know their actual profitability, cash flow, or the business stands financially month to month. That's usually the sign that DIY accounting has stopped being efficient. The second option is working with a once-a-year tax accountant, sometimes alongside a bookkeeper. This is probably the most common setup we see. The business owner has someone preparing the tax return at year end, and the bookkeeping is either handled internally or by a separate person throughout the year. And for many businesses, this setup works reasonably well, for a while. But one of the biggest misconceptions business owners have is thinking tax preparation and ongoing accounting are the same thing. They're not. In a lot of these situations, the books are being maintained, but no one is really helping the owner understand the numbers proactively throughout the year. The financials may not be current, cash flow isn't being reviewed on a consistent basis, tax strategy is minimal, and decisions are still being made reactively instead of proactively. This is usually the point where business owners start feeling like they've outgrown basic bookkeeping and tax filing, but they're not sure what the next step looks like. This is where monthly accounting firms typically come in. At this stage, the business has usually become too complex to manage reactively. The owner needs current financial information, consistent reporting, and ongoing support throughout the year instead of just hearing from their tax accountant once a year. A monthly accounting relationship is generally more proactive. The books are being reconciled consistently, financial statements are being reviewed regularly, payroll, sales tax, and tax planning are all working together instead of being handled separately. And most importantly, the business owner actually has some visibility into what's happening financially while they still have time to make decisions. That's usually the biggest difference. Instead of looking backward once a year, you're managing the business in real time. Now, this doesn't mean every business immediately needs monthly accounting. There are absolutely businesses where DIY or annual tax prep still makes sense. But once the business reaches a certain level of complexity, most owners realize that they need more than just a tax filing. They need ongoing financial support. The fourth option is building an internal accounting department, or a CFO structure. This is usually where larger or more operationally complex businesses end up. At that point, the business may have staff accountants, controllers, CFOs, or internal finance teams managing reporting, forecasting, budgeting, and financial operations internally. This often happens when businesses have multiple locations, departments, high transactional volume, inventory complexity, or advanced reporting needs. And honestly, some businesses eventually outgrow outsourced accounting completely. That's normal. The important thing to understand here is where your business fits today and making sure your accounting setup supports the stage your business is actually in. So how do you know which setup is right for your business? Well, a few questions usually make it pretty clear. Do you trust your numbers? Are your books current? Do you know your actual profitability? Are taxes constantly surprising you? Are you making decisions based off financial reports or just your bank balance? And are you spending too much time managing accounting internally? Because once accounting starts creating stress, confusion, or limiting decision-making, that's usually a sign that the current setup is no longer working efficiently. If you're not exactly sure where your business fits, we have a solution for you. We built an ideal accounting solution quiz that helps point you in the right direction. It asks a few simple questions about your business and recommends which accounting setup might fit you best. DIY, annual tax accounting, monthly accounting, or a more advanced internal accounting structure. You can take the quiz by clicking the link below. If you want help talking through your situation, personally, our team at CSI would be happy to help with that too. Thanks for watching.